So we're here at VAC-EX headquarters today, carrying out some internal manufacturers training. So first off, to start your machine, you're going to insert your isolator key, turn it clockwise, and then save for your ignition key. At the minute, we're just relaying one of the lessons, which is manoeuvring the AIR-VAC through a chicane and manoeuvring and loading, unloading onto a trailer, unloaded. We want to make sure that we take the machine out of tracking, isolating the machine, so as we are putting the pin in, there's no risk of us catching any of the paddles and putting the machine forward and risking us getting our hand or something trapped.
Comfortable. Josh comes across really clear. You sat in room there. You feel like you can approach him or ask him out about what we're learning about and things like that. It's been great.
All our training starts from the classroom. Everything's carefully designed with lesson plans in place to support the instructors to make sure that we're meeting various criteria. Along each stage, we'll be looking to ask some confirmation questions, just checking on competency, on knowledge, making sure that the operators are understanding what it is that's required and why. There's chances for them to ask questions. Once they've obviously carried out their demonstrations and we're happy with everything, we'll summarise the sessions and just make sure that everybody's on board. Gives us a chance just to see if there is any shortfallings or any areas where we need to spend a little bit more time or anything that we need to address as we go throughout the day.